Need to fix Instagram not letting you log in? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is move into Instagram app. Make sure that the username and the password that you have entered is correct. Or else you can click on forgot password and then reset the password. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is close the application. Check whether you are connected to stable Wi-Fi or not. You have to make sure that you are connected to strong internet connection, or else you can also try using cellular data. Once done, now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of your device. Inside the settings, move into General. Head over to iPhone storage. Move into Instagram. Click on Offload app. Once again tap on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. Well, this should also fix the issue that you have been facing. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.